Ritika and I am here to tell you about the science events that happened today. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Today is science is tomorrow's technology. So, the first event is Direct Dial Transatlantic Phone Calls. So, in 1970, this service was opened to the public for calls between the US and Britain by the collaboration of American Telephone and Telegraph and the British Post Office. By this, the former rate was reduced by one-third, and this new service was the first major intercontinental dialing system. The next event is Soviet spacecraft reaches Venus surface. 1966, the mission of the Soviet Union unmanned spacecraft Venera 3 was a partial success when it reached Venus and automatically released a small landing capsule intended to explore the planet's atmosphere during a parachute descent. But unfortunately, contact had been lost since 16 February. The next event is Bikini H-bomb test. In 1954, at Bikini in the Pacific Ocean, the blast of the US hydrogen bomb named Bravo was happened. And it was the most powerful bomb test in the area, equivalent to at least 15 megatons of TNT, trinitrotoluene, and it was similar to 1,000 atomic bombs of the kind dropped on Hiroshima during World War II. So Bikini hydrogen bomb test happened on 1st March. So the next event is Houdini patent. In 1921, a diver's suit invention was patented by Harry Houdini, for which he had applied on 30th June 1917. And you know guys, the famous magician innovation was to provide a means whereby, without requiring assistance, the diver could quickly remove the suit while submerged in case of any danger or any other reason. So it is very useful. The next important event is first parachute jump from an airplane. In 1912, Captain Albert Barry performed the first parachute jump from an airplane over Jefferson Barracks. Barry had many times parachuted from a balloon, but this time he left his seat in the two-passenger Benoist pusher by plane while it was flying at a speed of about 50 mph at an altitude of about 1500 feet. Then first parachute jump from an airplane was happened on 1st March. The next one is radioactivity discovered. So, in 1896, Henry Becquerel accidentally discovered radioactivity when he developed a photographic plate. What he did, he left it in a desk drawer with crystals of a uranium compound upon it, and he found a fogged image of the uranium crystal resting on it. Then he discovered radioactivity. In 1872, paleontologist Mr. Edward Drinker Cope described two new dinosaur era fossils from consists of two large winged reptiles, and in the paper he read to the American Philosophical Society in Philadelphia, and he assigned them to genus Ornithocheirus. But the American Journal of Science recorded priority in naming rights to his bitter rival Ornthil C. Marsh in their bone wars. The next important event was John Muir. 1866, John Muir's workshop was destroyed by fire. The factory near Mayford, Canada was not only where he worked as a woodworker and inventor of tools, but also where he stored his inventions and a stock of wood he part owned, all of which were lost in the fire. This incident was happened on 1st March. The next incident was first female Black American medical degree. 1st March in 1864, Rebecca Lee Crumpler became the first black woman to receive an American medical degree from the New England Female Medical College in Boston. The next event is Faraday joins Davy. I think we all know about Michel Faraday, who was a contributor to the study of electromagnetism and electrochemistry, and he discovered the principles of electromagnetism induction and the law of electrolysis. So when he was 14 in 1805, he educated himself about science, and in 1813, Michel Faraday was appointed at the Royal Institution as chemical assistant to Humphrey Davy, whom he succeeded as a professor of chemistry in 1820. The next are the scientists who were born today on 1st March. So the names are Seymour Papert, Fred F. Sharer, I. Bernard Cohen, Archer Martin, Sir Isaac Schoenberg, Albert S. Bickmore, Robert Cornelius, John Pell. Joseph Cyril Bamford, Claudio Villas-Boas, George J. F. Kohler, Edwin Herbert Land, Lev Artsimovich, Harry E. Sorev, Alfred Korzybski, Alexander Yersin, Edwin J. Houston, Jacobus Henricus Wenthoff, Peter Barlow, Friedrich Edward Banecke, Thomas Earnshaw, Gabriel Boylston, Francesco Redi. These are the scientists who have passed on 1st March. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, comments and subscribe our channel, and please share this video to your friends who were born today and who want to know what happened in the history of the science today. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.